You know what's crazy? This AI system you are about to see is the same one that I use right now to profit online every single day from home. And I'm not talking about dropshipping or freelancing or running ads for businesses. I'm talking about setting up one voice AI agent that answers calls for local businesses. And they pay you every single month to keep it running without coding anything, without jumping on a bunch of sales calls, and there is no complicated tech setup. All you do is plug it in once and it works 24/7, automatically taking all of their calls, booking appointments, and even closing customers for them. And the best part about this is that this is the same business model that hundreds of others are using right now to build a real recurring income online without quitting their jobs or spending a single penny on ads. I get it, you've probably tried side hustles before that went nowhere. You worked hard, you did everything right, and still felt stuck. But this is different. This actually works because businesses need it. And look, I've not got a course or any high ticket coaching program to sell you. In fact, I have nothing for sale. If you just subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with a friend and drop a comment saying done, I'll personally send you a private link to get my full setup, course, templates and scripts and mentorship for 100% free. Now let me show you how this actually works behind the scenes. The same exact setup that I use to collect $400 a month per client, all automated. So essentially what we're going to be doing is working with local business owners. So think of your roofers, your dentists, your chiropractors, your electricians, your real estate agents, pretty much any local business owner. To be honest, it doesn't even have to be local. That business owner could be on the other side of the planet from you. Because this is all online, it doesn't mean you actually have to go and meet them up in person. That means for you, you can work with any business owner on the planet. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting that local business up with a simple AI automation software. And this software, it's all pre-built. You don't need to code anything. You don't need to sit down and market anything or jump on a bunch of calls or anything like that. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. And keyword right here, automation. This is all automated. So this means you set it up once and it keeps working every single day for that business without you having to do any extra work. Remember, AI doesn't get sick. AI doesn't need a pay raise or any holidays. It just works 24/7, literally like another full-time employee for that business. And then you're going to be charging businesses anywhere between $300 to $500 per month. That is the sweet spot that I found for this one single AI service. And again, you can do this worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are from or what country you're from or your background or anything like that. You can do this. So here I am on the trustworthy Google. Before I actually show you all of this stuff in a bit more depth and give you guys a live demo in just a second, I want to actually show you how we're going to find businesses to actually work with and set this up all completely for free. So literally all I'm going to do is go over onto Google and I'm going to type in dentists in London, but you can obviously do whatever industry in whatever area. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go ahead and click on enter and search that, and I'm going to actually head over onto the map section of Google, so it actually shows me all of the different businesses. So you see right here we've got these two sponsored businesses. So sponsored means that they are actually paying Google to be at the top of this list. But if we scroll down, we're going to actually see businesses that don't have that sponsored tag. So that means they are ranking on here organically because of their Google reviews and stuff like that. So we've got Dental Smiles London, we've got this one, we've got all of these different businesses, and you can see they all have phone numbers on their profile. As you can see here, this one has a phone number. If I click on this one, phone number again. All of these businesses, they accept calls between their customers and them. Now, there's going to be some businesses, especially roofers, electricians, chiropractors, that might not be able to afford a receptionist or someone to answer calls, or they might even be one person running the entire business. They might be with a different customer or a different patient while someone calls that business. Now this is going to be so powerful for them because not only is it going to save them a bunch of time and stuff like that, but it's going to make sure that their customers aren't confused, aren't lost, and they don't end up going to one of their competitors. So before I actually show you guys a live demo of this working in action, I want to just show you how to quickly set this up, and this literally takes a couple of clicks and literally 2-3 minutes at max. So here I am on this AI powered software right here. And if you guys want access to this software and a full step-by-step course and training and scripts to actually get clients, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop a comment below, and I'm gonna send you everything personally. And again, it's completely free. So all I'm going to do is click on where it says AI agents right here. And you can see that there are a few different tabs at the top. So there's the voice AI, there's conversation AI, there's content AI. These are different AI features of this software. This software has hundreds of different features that you can actually set up for businesses, but in this video I'm only going to be showing you the voice AI. And as you can see, I have actually been playing around with this quite a bit. I've got a bunch of different agents right here, and to set this up, all we're going to do is click on where it says create agent, and now it's actually asking us for the agent details, so we can actually give this agent a name. So for this example, I'm going to just call it Lucy. Here you can put the name of the business, so I'm just going to do Muhammad Dentist Practice, whatever. Obviously I'm not actually a dentist. And then you can actually change the language. So like I was saying, it doesn't matter where in the world you are from, you can do whatever language, whatever accent you want. You can even change the voice and the gender. So if you want it to be a female or a male, you can do that. If you want to change the language, if you want to change the accent, you can do that. And then what we can also configure is the agent's initial message. So as soon as someone calls that AI, the first thing that AI is going to say is whatever is in here. And then it's literally done. You can click on next. We can go over onto the next step. And now it's asking us details to collect from the contact. So you can have that AI ask for that customer's name, their email, maybe even where they actually live, their actual physical address, and then the contact's issue, so what their problem is. Maybe the power's out, they've got a leak in the house, whatever. And then if you want to, you can switch to advanced mode, and then you can literally tell this AI, look, I want you to be fun, I want you to be playful, I want you to handle the conversation like this, whatever you want. But just for this, and I always keep it on basic because it's very straightforward and it's simple and it works so well. But you can get advanced if you want to. Now you might be asking, why isn't the phone number on here? It's collecting the name, email address, and the issue, but why isn't the phone number here? The cool thing about this is because that customer is actually going to be calling that business, it's going to automatically pull their phone number and save it as a contact. And then literally all we're going to do is click on next, and then we're going to just map a phone number to that AI agent. So you can select a phone number. As you can see, I've got this +500 number right here. Now you might be asking, why do I need another number? You actually need a number for that AI agent to go and actually be working on. But I've never had any issues with it or any pushback, because what we can do is with that phone number, we can forward it to that business's main number. So if anyone is to text it, that text will get forwarded straight to that business, so they don't miss out on any texts or anything like that. I've never had any issue with it, especially because the amount of value that this AI agent alone is going to be bringing on the table. So whatever number you actually grab, you can just put it on their Google business profile, you can put it on their Facebook profile, their social media, their website, wherever they want. And then whenever someone calls, it's going to be all AI powered now. Now let me actually show you what this sounds like. So I'm going to actually go ahead and call up this AI agent right here, so you guys can actually hear what this sounds like real time. So this is a demo for a dentist. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on call and put this on speakerphone for you guys to hear.
Hey, you have reached British Dental Care. How can I help you today?
Hi, I've just got a toothache. I need someone to check it out as soon as possible, please.
Got it. Let me take down a few details so we can assist you promptly. Can I start with your name, please?
Yeah, it's Mo Patel.
Thanks, Mo. That's Mopatel, right?
Yes.
Perfect, thanks. Could you also share your email address so we can contact you?
Yeah, it's mp1275@gmail.com.
Got it. So that's mp1275@gmail.com, correct?
Yes.
Great, thank you. Lastly, could you briefly describe the issue so our team knows what to focus on when they get back to you?
Yeah, I've just got a toothache. It hurts a lot.
Understood, Mo. That sounds painful, and I'm sorry you're dealing with that. I'll make sure our team knows it's urgent and gets back to you as soon as possible to assist. Thanks for sharing the details, and we'll be in touch shortly. Take care.
Thank you. Now, how cool was that? So it got my name, it got my email, it got what issue I had, and then it literally said, look, I'm sorry you're going through that. So it also gave me some assurance that I'm going to be all good.
Okay, really quickly, if you want everything pre-built, listen up. I'm talking fully ready-made websites that are already designed for you, the exact client bidding scripts that I use, the entire backend, all the automations built out for you, follow-ups, onboarding, already built, already tested, and already proven. You can import it all into your account in one click and you will be ready to go. This setup isn't just working for me, it's working for students who have never coded before, never sold before, and they still landed clients. And I have partnered up directly with Go High Level to offer you a completely free extended 30-day trial to the software instead of the normal 14 days. There are no contracts, there is no risk, and you can cancel at any time. Just go to winwithsas.com or click the first link in the description and I will walk you through everything step by step. How to launch, how to get your first client, and turn this into a real monthly income. The system is built. All that is left is you.
So straight after that call, this is 3 minutes ago, straight after that AI agent handled that call, I automatically got an email saying your AI employee has handled another call for the business. It's showing me who called, what that person's email is, what their phone number is, and then who they actually called, which AI agent actually handled that call, and how long was it. And then it's giving me a full call summary. So it's saying the user contacted the business to report a painful dental issue. So remember, I said toothache, and then it also shows me whatever contact information that person gave on the phone. So me in this example, and then there is a full call transcript. So it's saying, look, hey, you reached the name of the business. And then remember, I said, I've got a toothache. I need someone to check it out, please. It's showing me that full conversation. So as soon as the AI employee handles that call for a business, it's going to automatically send them an email, and then they can actually see everything what happened on that entire call. And then they're also going to be able to see all of that within the software itself as well. So they can see that in the conversations tab. They can also download the mobile app, and then they can see that on their phone as well. And this literally took me a few minutes to set up. I set this up with you guys live watching me. And then in terms of actually collecting payments from your clients, so how you're going to get paid, I personally recommend using something called stripe.com. It's free. All you have to do is make an account. And then the really good thing about Stripe is it actually links up with this software. So as soon as your client pays you, it's going to automatically make them an account. It's going to automatically send them all of the login details and everything like that. And then in the future, if they ever were to cancel, which most of the time they don't, because they see how much time this saves and how much value this actually brings to their business. But if they ever was to, theoretically, it will automatically pause their account. So you're not basically giving something out for free. And remember, this is software. It literally is set up once and then it works every single day with no extra fulfillment on your end. You didn't need to code anything. You didn't need to build anything out from scratch. This is all pre-built. So that is the full breakdown of the voice AI agent system that I use to get paid every single month without running any ads, without having a big team or doing anything complicated. You literally saw how simple it was for me to set that up and then how well it literally handled that conversation. If you even get like 10 clients on for $400 a month, that is already $4,000 in recurring revenue, and that is all profit. You're not sharing that with me, you're not sharing that with anyone. It's all yours. If you found this video useful, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop a comment below, and I'm going to send you my full step-by-step course, templates, scripts, and mentorship for completely free. But with that being said, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one.